question, in what sense is happiness our real nature? Bhagwan answers the question, perfect bliss is Brahman. Perfect peace is of the self. That alone exists and is conscious. The same conclusion is arrived at, judged metaphysically, and inferred by Bhakti Marga. We pray to God for bliss and receive it by grace. The bestower of bliss must be bliss itself and also infinite. Therefore, Iswara is the personal God of infinite power and bliss. Brahman is bliss, impersonal and absolute. The finite egos deriving their source from Brahman and then Iswara are in their spiritual nature bliss only. Biologically, an organism functions because such functions are attended with happiness. It is pleasure that helps our growth. Food, exercise, rest, and gregarious qualities. The psychology of pleasure is perhaps this: our nature is primarily one, entire, blissful. Take this as a probable hypothesis. Creation is by the entire Godhead breaking into God and nature, Maya or Prakriti. This Maya is of two parts: Para, the supporting essence, and Apara, the five elements mind, intellect, and ego, eightfold. Ego's perfection is suddenly broken at a point, and want is felt, giving rise to a desire to get something or do something. When that want is cured by fulfillment of that desire, the ego is happy and the original perfection is restored. Therefore, happiness may be said to be our natural condition or nature. Pleasure and pain are relative and refer to our finite state, with progress by satisfaction of want. If relative progress is stopped and the soul merges into Brahman of the nature of perfect peace, that soul ceases to have relative temporary pleasure and enjoy perfect peace, bliss. Hence, self-realization is bliss. It is realizing the self as the limitless spiritual I and not clairvoyance. It is the highest self-surrender. Samsara, the world cycle, is sorrow.